I make this video to review this hair dryer. I got this hair dryer from Argos for less than £20. The reason I got this hair dryer is to manage my 4C hair. My hair is very shrinky. As you can see, I just washed my hair a few days ago. At first it was okay, but as they go by, it shrink, and I do not have time to properly moisturize my hair. So I got this dryer to straighten out my hair and able to manage it while I am busy during the week. So what I would say is I just I make sure I oil my hair first, put a little bit of moisturizer, and with water I was able to go through the hair with the hair dryer. So I would recommend the hair dryer because it's cheap and it actually really do the job. I hardly use hair dryers in my hair, but I got this just so I can manage my hair. So it actually does the job. It does straight the hair. You can comb it out easily, apply your product, and you can style it and you're free to go. So if you want to get it, I recommend it. You see, there is a big difference from when I started to now. And yeah, so as you can see, I can now pack my hair in one, unlike before I couldn't. So it went from this or shrinky to straight. So yes, I recommend it.